Let's see now how the partner on top follows the movement as the person at the bottom rotates to either side. So I'm turning towards a direction. He keeps one leg heavy and pulls the other leg out and adjusts their knee behind my head. So his hip is close to my shoulder. When I go back, he kind of resets, both knees flat on the ground, hands always walking on the mat. Now, as I turn to the other direction, he keeps this opposite knee heavy and points the other knee out and adjusts his hands on the mat. Literally walk with your hands until the hip touches the shoulder. Now, same thing, walk your hands back and reset both knees down. When I rotate, open your arms, reset your legs, and follow the direction. So here, give the space, walk back and down. Good. I'm going the other way, point your other knee out, and walk your hands. I get flat, go out and down. Now, put your both knees down. When I go this way, put your knee down and point your other knee out, and turn to the direction until the hip touches the shoulder. When I come back, yes, your hands reset.